How to create a simple form on monday.com. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel, and let's get started right away. So the first thing you're gonna do is going to monday.com. After going to monday.com, the main project or the first project will open for you. Below the project title, which is here start from scratch, you're gonna find two options to click on. First, the main table, and the other is to add a view. Click on add a view and go down into form. You're gonna find form in the bottom of the menu. Click on it. When you click on form, now a form is created, and this is a simple tutorial if you want to see. If you don't want, just follow us. This is the form. You can edit whatever you want in the form. This is the title of the form, and below it you can find the description, and after the description you can add as much items as you want. Here we are editing the description, and now this is the title or the question. It's a text answer question, and after it there's multiple choice question if you want, and here is an option if you want to hide the question, and below it is where the plus icons appears. It's here you can click in order to add a question. Here's the status. This is a multiple choice with ready buttons, as you see. Here is another type for the question, which is date, if you want the answer to be in the date form. And here are other question forms. There are long text, number, phone, email, single select, multi-select, true or false, upload a file, signature, link, rating, date, and other stuff. You can choose whatever you want according to the type of the question. It just depends on what you want. So let's now say you finish the form and you want to preview it. You just go up and click on preview. As you can see, here is the form that will appear for the user, and you can now share the form. You can click on share the form, and here's the link where you can share it with whoever you want. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.